Today we're giving your videos a dynamic twist with the zoom spin transition. This one's perfect for fast-paced edits, travel vlogs, or anything that needs a burst of energy between scenes. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you've got two clips placed side by side on your timeline. Now, head over to the Transitions tab on the left side of the editor. Scroll down to the section called Zooms and Spins. You'll find the spin transition here. It adds a rotating zoom effect that makes your cuts feel more exciting and cinematic. Just drag it between the two clips on your timeline. You'll see a little icon pop up right where the clips meet. Want to control how fast or slow the transition plays? Click on the transition, then look to the Transition tab on right side of your screen. Use the duration slider to make it super quick or give it a bit more breathing room. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've added a super cool zoom spin transition to your video in Clipchamp. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tips.